So yet another week is wrapped up. I think this is week 4 of semester 2 of year 3. Today we had an exam on our surgery class. So it was over urinary catheters, mass removals, ophthalmic procedures, so like eyes, and what was the other one? Oh, equine wound repair. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. I didn't do quite as well as I wanted to. I did study, but I think honestly the questions were so easy that I almost overthought some of them. I would have been better off just, I don't know, reading the question and picking one and then moving forward, because I got a couple wrong that I probably shouldn't have. I either overthought them or there were true false questions that were worded weird and I put the wrong of the two. So honestly, I'm not too worried about it. I'll pass I got like an 80 something, so that's fine. And let's see, what I got going on. What do we do this week? I had 2 days off this week. Just happened to be that the way the lab schedule fell, I didn't have class on Wednesday or Thursday, which was really nice because I was able to get some studying done. Jenna and I were able to hang out a little bit, which was nice. And yeah, so now this weekend I'm going to try to get my tasks for next week done, so I don't have to worry about that. I'll probably start studying some radiography stuff because in 3 weeks we have our final for that, and that's going to be a tough one. I already know that. And if you don't pass that test, you don't pass the class, so might as well start studying that earlier than later. And I'll probably do some more vet prep this weekend, try to just keep going on that. Taken 2 practice tests, one that was 15 questions long and one that was 30. I got like a 45% on the 15 question long one and a 50% on the 30 question one. But when I went back and looked at questions that I had the right answer and changed it, I would have gotten a 70%. So while they're just practice tests, it just keeps confirming the fact that if I would just stick with my original answer instead of changing it, more times than not I would get it right. So I'm gonna do a couple practice tests this weekend as well, and whatever I think the answer is, once I read through all of them, I'm gonna pick it and I'm not gonna change it. And I just want to see how I do, because when it comes time to take the NAVLE, you have 65 minutes per 60 question set, and I think there's 6 sets of 60. And the clock is on you the whole time. Some of the questions have a good bit of reading. You don't have time to second guess yourself, to go back and, you got to read through it, get the information, and then move on. So that's what I'm going to start trying to practice doing, is get better at taking tests along with also learning material. So just another weekend of studying coming up, and 3 weeks to go, and then it's clinics. So not too shabby.